Guys, the Falcon cut the pigeon. I feel sorry. Look, let it go, mother flower. I love my pigeons. She's trying to get away. Ah, he's gone. No, he's not. He's still there. Look, he's still fighting with it. Yeah, he's still fighting. Look, it's another one. It's another one. It's two of them. It's two of them, Richie. Ah, you know what that is? They already know pigeons around in this area. Yo, look at them two falcons killing the pigeon. Wow, that's a good footage right here, baby. Do something. Oh snap, he made the other one go away.